we are looking at how to pronounce the name of these three social media platforms, some of the three biggest ones. Let's start with Facebook. Facebook. That's easy. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Facebook. Now, Twitter is how it is said in British English. Twitter. Now, in American English, in the US, they say it as Twitter, 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 or Twitter. YouTube. YouTube is how they say it in the USA, in the United States, while in the UK, the United Kingdom, they say it as YouTube, YouTube. Yes, note the ch sound here in British English. YouTube or YouTube, Twitter or Twitter, and then Facebook. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, thanks for your support and thanks for watching.